Hi foodies, welcome to the Sugar Vixen channel. My name is Tanisha and today I'm going to show you how to make the best ever zucchini bread. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you like our content and like this video. All of our text versions of our recipes are located on our Patreon page, and that link is at the bottom of our description. Let's go ahead and begin.
We're going to start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is an overview of all our ingredients and equipment that we will be using today. I'm going to start off by grating the 2 large zucchinis. And now we're going to prepare our loaf pans with parchment paper. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Then we're going to whisk that together. And move it on to the side. We're going to take 3 large eggs and beat them with an electric mixer, or you can do it by hand. We're now going to add the 2 cups of grated zucchini, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and our 1.5 cups of chopped walnuts and vanilla extract. We're going to blend that together. We're now going to add in the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. And we're just going to mix it until it's combined. We're now going to divide the mixture evenly over the prepared pans. And bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. And that is how to make easy but delicious zucchini bread that your friends and family will love.